Often companies need to send a document to many people to individually sign. With Foxit Sign's bulk send feature, enterprises can streamline their high-volume agreements with others. Let's see how companies can get documents signed on a large scale. The first step is to upload the recipients who will receive the document. To do this, go to the Home page and click over Settings. Then select Email Group. Give a name and description to your new group by clicking over the Create New Email Group button. To upload your list, go to the Add and Remove button. Before uploading any file, check the provided sample file to know what is needed in your spreadsheet. Once you have the file ready, you can proceed with uploading the list. For this case, we will use the Foxit PM group. The following step is to go to Templates and select the document you want to share. To illustrate this example, we will choose the Employee Manual. If you don't know how to create a template, check out our tutorial about creating templates with Foxit Sign. Next, go to the Assigned Recipients section and click over Add Group. Select the group of contacts and finish by reviewing and sending out the email invitation. Automate large-scale agreement signing with Foxit Sign.